Today I'm at the Golden Gate Park Dell Dahlia Garden. We had a super cold and foggy summer, but it's led to this most beautiful explosion of color here at the Dahlia Garden.
Like the 2 weeks of summer in San Francisco.
I
kind of like the fog.
Yeah.
I mean, I was born in a lightning storm.
Oh. These are some of the first beautiful days we've had all summer long. And it's really brought everybody out to the Dahlia Garden and to the park today. Look at the incredible variety of dahlias.
Aren't these such cool flowers? Like among my favorites.
Hi, this is San Francisco photographer Catherine Herrera. I'm here today to photograph the 2026 Dahlia calendar for the Exquisite Flowers collection. I meet people from all over the world here. People who love the dahlia like I do, who are inspired by its diversity of beauty, colors, and patterns. It's amazing the journey that the dahlia has taken to arrive here, from its origins in Mexico and Central America to Europe, first to Spain, then to the Netherlands, and to become today one of the most cultivated flowers in the world. Everything is really in bloom. This is really the height of the season right now here in August. Dahlias are resilient and hardy, their flowers lasting through the first frost. This is our 5th year of the Exquisite Flowers collection calendar. In 2026, honoring 100 years that the dahlia has been the official flower of the city of San Francisco. At our website, exquisiteflowerscollection.com, you'll find beautifully designed, high-quality, flower-themed gifts, clothing, home items, and collectible fine art prints, and much more. Thank you for coming along with me today. Visit exquisiteflowerscollection.com to order your 2026 Dahlia calendar.